Yung isa pang nag-pop natin over here. Hi.
I'm Ian, Sales Manager and Health Advocate.
So bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Actually, hindi ko agad pinap nung una kasi nung first, I understand yung Department of Tourism, mataas ang tingin ko sa mga nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno. And I work also before in golf course and resort. So that's why tinignan ko pa kung ano yung mafe-feel ko nung second. Pero the reason why I pop, she's like my churchmate.
Churchmate naman. Lahat na lang. Little sister, churchmate.
And parang, there's no romantic but more on kapatid. Yun.
Asan yung parang brother, sister sa church, ganun.
Yeah. And she's nice. She's beautiful.
Thank you. Pero no romantic vibes for you.
Mostly ba na lagi ka nasasabihin na sister or kapatid?
Ewan ko, they always told me that I look innocent daw.
Innocent?
Yeah, siguro kaya mas napagkaamalan na not totally matured pa when it comes to thinking.
Hindi nyo pa kasi nakikita yung face niya.
Oh,
Wala
yung face
pang
reveal
face
mamaya at the
reveal
end of the round. Okay, pero ikaw ba? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Parang nakikita ko rin po siya as kuya.
Kuya, sa
If ever
church
then.
or outside church?
Pwede rin po sa church.
Okay. Okay.
thank you so
Well,
much.
thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3.